Fred. Hallo, kan jullie mij graag horen? Red block or green block? So far shows green block, but I think it's going to be a red block. Technical analysis showing. So far going up. Where? UTC plus 2, ek dink. MSG 1 buy this morning came back nicely into our block and then swept the high. MSG 2 broke out. MSG 2 breakout, coming back and then sweeping it. So what is MSG 3 gonna do? I think we're gonna come close this gap, but not today, maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow maybe we can see this gap being closed, or even Wednesday, but I don't think today. So this might very well just be respected like 10 corners is showing and going up. Because we've got a breakout, we got a pullback, and we got a continuation. Now we got a retest. So if this is respected now, doesn't break below, this thing can climb. But if it climbs this level, the 1 hour, you will see what's happening here. We have a very big 1 hour level over here. Something like that. So if it breaks this, we will see a bigger retracement. Just want to do that for future reference. So if it climbs above this, as we can see all the way come to this high. That's on the 1 hour. So that is where gold might want to be going to. So are we gonna see this? And then we shoot up. So yeah, if respected, we're going up. And he's respecting this level. May you please fund my account? No, because that's not going to help you anything.
All right. Now you can see here, guys, plus 10, minus 95. So the
Ooh, guys, look who's live.
distance is above already. It means that the market needs a correction. All right. This is, of course, the ATR. The ATR is the average range, and usually the average range tells us the whole picture, of course, regarding the move. But I know, guys, when the market is hitting the top, and when market is going above the top, there is only one thing I can do, guys, and that thing is basically sell the rally. Right. So Swiss yen is pushed, of course, by the positive US-Iran development. We know already that this is the market which has, well, more or less, guys, the range which also depends on the Bank of Japan, the Swiss National Bank. But at this point, guys, what we see here is a clear move to the upside with a big potential for a drop because the range has been broken. So now we are talking about the range. When a range is respected, we have certain moves, right? But when range is broken, we got usually we have correction. Also, guys, adding to my Swiss yen potential short that I did is actually shoulder head shoulder formation. Look, this is the left shoulder. This is the head, right? And this is the right shoulder. So when we take a look at this, we see actually SHS, which stands for shoulder head shoulder. All right. So we now have basically shoulder here, the head and the shoulder there. And what I expect is that the market will eventually move down from the shoulder head shoulder formation, forming some sort of the pattern from this point, guys, because this is the order block. Look, 1, 2, 3. This is the order block. We should see at least, I don't know, 201.60 or eventually 201.40 level. Again, guys, this is the move which goes against the momentum. I have zero point 0.7 lots. And also, guys, what I want to show you is that my stop loss here is 202.43. So I'm not using big stop, but actually this trade can have a good potential because it's at the top. It's happening, guys, there at the top of the move. All right. Uh, very good result. By the way, guys, also New Zealand dollar is going in the profit. So New Zealand dollar is also going in profit. Why I shorted is also EMA 89. Guys, whenever I see EMA 89, I go and trade it. Right. This is 4 hour setup. So this is not actually commando setup. Commando setup is 1 hour setup. Here we have actually the classic Megatrend Hero setup, right? So this is Megatrend Hero setup. It's not, just to let you know, this is not Commando setup. This is Megatrend Hero setup, right? And what I want to see is now a little bit more down because I want to take, let's say, around 30% of the trade, which is 30% is something like 15 pips. The market now is 10 pips in profit, so it's 20%, let's say close to 20% of the ATI. I expect that the market will be more volatile, of course, during the US session. So we have now currently trades which are going well, but as I say, guys, we definitely need to watch the pool movement before we actually take a decision to close the trade. And that means, guys, this now is great time to watch the move because it's the start of the US future market. I will show you something. If you don't know which session you are in, there is a pretty easy way to check it, right? We always check, guys, your local time to know which session you are in. So if it's card, you go, guys, to Forex market hours. This is how I know I don't need this, but I'm just showing you guys if you are not sure which session you're in. Here you check your time zone, all right? It's easy, guys. Find your city, your, whatever, you will find it here, right? Click go, and now you will see we are at the start of New York session, right? This is now the overlap of London and New York. And usually around these hours, we should see increased volatility. Later during the day, guys, you see here on the table at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock platform time, New York market will be along. So London session starts at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock platform time, all right? New York session starts at 3 o'clock platform time, and New York is alone. Actually, London session ends at 7 o'clock platform time, right? If you want to watch platform time instead your local time, then you just find GMT plus 3, right? So you put GMT plus 3, let's say Nicosia, for example, click go, and here you will see, guys, GMT plus 3 time right here. This is pretty easy, pretty straightforward, right? You can go also, guys, by some other cities, whatever you're following, right? You will see the time. So basically, Forex market hours. Okay, now while I'm talking, I see that actually Swiss yen is 15 pips in profit. So it's already nice profit from Swiss yen. Okay, guys, the market wants to retest probably EMA 89. So we need to get ready maybe to take some profits. Let's see. Okay, this is now interesting. I like these hours, guys, because we are in we are in really the US session, and this US session is usually, guys, volatile and gives us very good trades. All right. If you have questions, just, guys, feel free to ask. I will definitely answer. All right. So I will see if we can actually take profit from Swiss yen if the market gets close to 30% ATR. ATR is 114 overall, right? It is okay, so we can get maybe 30 pip maximum, unless there is some bigger volatility in the market. But yeah, let's see. We will see a retest of the level. Now we are testing the order block. You see, now this is a test of order block. So we currently are, again, guys, discard the spread. When you take, when you count profits, you need to discard the spread, right? So basically, if you have I mean, you need to include the spread. So if you have 3 pip spread, you need to include those 3 pips, because this is the cost of the exchange rate, right? So this is, here we have floating spread approximately of 3 pips. So basically, this is it. We are at support now, and this support is order block. If we can break the order block, I think we will get to H2, which is basically a retest of the ATR and EMA 89. Now, if we can break the bottom here, we will get a little bit better profits. But combined with New Zealand dollar, this is not bad actually. Let's see, guys, if we can actually make a little bit more. But have in mind that we are trading against momentum here. Okay, this is a trade which goes against momentum. And also, guys, this is the subject to a kill switch setup. So what is a kill switch setup? Market comes, hits the ATR, the same candle starts to change the color from blue to red, or it starts to be bearish from bullish immediately when it starts to change, right? You actually short it. So this is also kill switch setup, not only EMA 89. But primary reason for my trade is EMA 89 short, right? Let's see if we can get profits from this one. It's important, guys, that you compound. It means that you add profits to profits. So ultimately, you end up with a positive balance after a month, 2, 3. I always check my results after 3 months of trading. All right. So now we are probably going towards EMA 89 retest. Dollar yen, guys, is look, guys, dollar yen is strong. We got two possible longs, three possible longs on dollar yen here, there, and there. Every time the market gets around EMA 89, you see, guys, the reaction. It starts to bounce. So this is strong reaction, I guess, guys, right? This is strong reaction, and we have this EMA bounce constantly, guys. Very rarely we have actually that EMA 89 doesn't react. It usually does, guys. Yes, it usually does. So you can see here, what did I tell you about Swiss yen? Now, guys, what we can do is basically we can do guerrilla trade. So we can take profits now, and if the market gets higher, we can short again. All right, this is not bad, guys. I also think we can get those 20 pips, right? Because our stop loss is not big. It means, guys, that we already covered the first Swiss yen trade, which unfortunately went into a loss. So we can actually close profit, guys. This is bigger risk, double the risk. I did double the risk. All right, instead of 0.35 lots, I ended up with 0.70. So it's a form of martingale. So we can close now, guys, and we can do guerrilla trade. All right, so 81, this is not bad, guys. Okay, we can do this again if the market gets later in profit. We can always, guys, add. So I'm closing my trade here. Okay, this is 19 pips profit here, and I will close also my New Zealand dollar. So my balance is back above 6,000. All right, and I'm also doing this on my mobile. I have XM account here. Okay, guys. So we got around 19, 20 pips, which is basically, guys, around 20% of the ATR. Now, why I did this? Because if the market gets higher, I'm going to short again. Look, guys, this is the ATR range. For me, the best indicator to show you the intraday range is the ATR. And this is my own indicator that I have translated from MT4 into the MT5. And you can see very obviously here, it's working like a charm. All right. And this is why I will definitely continue to use it. And now you see the market is even going lower.
Guys, looks like we're all gonna see that red block I said we're gonna see. Let's see how it plays out.
Or as I close it, it will probably test EMA 89 here. Else we really don't have big stops. So I'm placing another pending order at the bottom. All right, guys. You see how confident I am. It means, guys, that these things that I teach you are really profitable. And all of you who still don't trade Megatrade Hero or price action, go ahead, try these, guys. You will make big difference on your account. Okay, let's do GBP Swiss yen. Okay, so we will guerrilla trade Swiss yen, now GBP Swiss. This is short trend, 4 hour. Let's see, 4 hour is actually, this is retracement. So how can we get into GBP Swissy trade here, guys? If the market comes down, I'm going to buy. So I'm going to put pending long order at 1.06. Let's see, 1.0629. So I'm placing buy limit order. And my stop loss is going to be 1.05. Now what is the spread here? 1.3 pip spread. So 1.0583. Here we go. 1.0583. So I have the, this is big. No, here. It needs to be here actually. 10, this is 4 hour time frame. Guys, this is very low range. GBP Swissy has extremely low range. So stop loss can be small. I mean, I will move my stop loss here, 1.0610, let's say. Yeah, this is very small range. I thought this was big, but guys, the range is 45 pips. Actually, I don't like this. 45 pip range, I will delete this, this order, not good. It's very slow market. GBP dollar 4 hour, all right, 4 hour rejection from EMA 89, sorry, from 88.6. And now we are getting close to EMA 89. But originally, see the reaction at 88.6. Market rejected. This is 88.6. And there was the rejection. No problem. Let's go further, guys. Dollar end. Sell the rally mode. I would like to see more of retracement. So let's see if we have 1 hour retracement also. Commando trade, yes. For commando trades, we need to get higher or we need to see bearish key reversal candle. So either a move towards EMA 89, right? For commando entry on 1 hour or bearish key reversal candle, whichever happens the first. It means, guys, that then dollar end will continue to move down. All right. Next one, GBPN. GBPN. Let's check gold just quickly, guys. 1 hour time frame. Yeah, gold looks bullish on 1 hour. The gap still hasn't been closed, guys. Look at this. It looks like a straddle. This looks like a straddle long. I think this is continuation of long. I'm going to make small long, guys. My stop loss not big. So I'm going just to make a small position, 0.05 lots. And stop loss will be 43.20. If it goes down, no problem. This is 1 hour straddle entry. Actually, guys, I don't know, it's a little bit high for me. I would rather go long if I need to go long here. And I thought that we could drop, but we didn't. So this is going to go up. Okay, small entry, small entry. 43.20 is my stop loss. So only 0.05 small entry. Let's see, this is straddle, all right, 8 moving average rejection. Hi, DJ. I sent you mail. Will you have a look? Are we allowed to use your indicator? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. I have on MT5, so I will check the mail and I will send you my indicator, no problem. After I finish the session, I can do it. I can do it, DJ. You need, if you trade intraday, I simply don't understand how people can trade without the ATR. And I'm talking about intraday trading. I think this is a must. So yes, I will send you my indicator, no problem. For all of you guys on the XM, of course, it's free, the indicator. So no problem, guys. If you want indicator, I will send it to you. Just send me an email. No worries, guys. I'm going to send it over. So gold, yeah, I think gold could be moving up now. I'm placed my stop loss. I will sell gold if it comes to 43.65. So now let's see, just in case I'm not there, I will put my target at 43.64. And I don't know, if it drops, no problem, guys. I can buy it later, but at this point, it looks like a rejection from the 8 moving average. All right. So this is gold. All right, let's move on. New Zealand, we got profits. GBPN. Did we check GBPN? 4-hour bullish. You see, no, there is no bounce center because it already happened. So we now go to commando entry. So we look for one. This, guys, we need this cross above EMA 89 and a touch of EMA 89 for profit. So we want to see profits here, guys. Let's see if we have an entry. All right, a little bit more down. This is the entry. I'm going to put pending commando order. So commando is exactly at 214.76. So I'm going to put it at 278. There is a middle pivot point, but I think here we could use buy limit order. So I put buy limit order. I will show you all of my account. No hiding, guys. I don't hide. I don't do this. This is for me a little bit of, it's not serious for traders to trade without the window. So you need always to look, guys, at the window. It's called toolbox here on MT5. So you need to know if you are in profit or you have a drawdown. If you hide like this, it means that you are hiding something from yourself. And this is not good, guys. Don't make a habit of trading without your terminal window toolbox open. Get a habit of doing it. Thanks, Nenad. You are always so kind and available to assist us at the cost of your own time. We don't see many mentors that really want us local traders to succeed. Thank you. And I really want, I'm always there for you guys. I'm always there for you guys. I will, you guys, and you can always count on me. You can always count on me. I want you to succeed. You to succeed. All right. Yes, guys. Definitely, I want you to succeed. This is my mission. And yes, XM is the best. I like XM from my heart because I know them for many, many years. I've been with XM. And also, guys, somehow my dream has been fulfilled with this because I was always wanted to project like this. For me, this is the best project. And yes, I will do always the best to assist you. Whatever you need, guys. Right. When you send me comments like this, you make me very, very happy. And you guys with comments like this give me the energy for even better and even more, I would say, steady results. So yes, Yeah, DJ, been with XM also 3 years. Yeah, I remember, I know. I'm with XM since 2000. Setup. What happened with the big loss? Why was the big loss? What happened actually? Was it because of the war, or was it because of some I don't know, geopolitical or fundamental event? What happened, DJ? Can you share with us, or if you want, no problem. Uh, because that's really outstanding result. NFP. So you were going heavy on the NFP, right? You made a big entry on the NFP. I went 50 lots. Wow. Ooh. That was a bit of gamble, DJ. You know that NFP is extremely volatile. So yeah, this is huge. Lost 75K. Wow. Well, that's a lot, DJ. How did you feel? Probably you didn't feel quite well, because even though if you were in profit and you lose, such amount of money, that's psychologically it's hard. So yeah, 100% gamble. Don't do it. Don't do it. Definitely don't do it, because the thing is that all these things, like when you are gambling out, you develop a habit. Yeah, I know. I believe you don't feel good, because DJ, it happened to me many times in the past that I wanted to make uh, fast money on the news, and usually when it happens, we actually lose. We cannot even revenge the trade. Usually, when it happens, you actually lose all the accounts. So yeah, yeah, I know, but at least you made it back. DJ. So you are on a positive break even. I call it positive zero, or it's like positive break even. So at least you made it back. Imagine if you lost every single penny. So it's okay, right? It happens, but still, it's okay because you made it back, right? It's important that you made it back, right? And thanks for your comment. I will really make a screenshot of your comment. Really fantastic comment here. Uh, I didn't expect, but very, very good. Thanks a lot, DJ. Um, no more making fast money and just trade on opportunity. Yes, you need to stack the odds in your favor. I always say, when you have more than 50% chance that you make money, then you are already positive. Because the only thing when you have 50%, let's say 55, 60% chance with your entry, it means that you just need to time a good exit. You see what I mean by this. I'm in profit now with my gold trade. So my entry was very good. It's a straddle entry on 1 hour moving average, eight moving average, 8 EMA. But if I don't make a good exit, I can easily lose my profit. So now I need to actually understand where the good exit is. And with gold can change literally like this. So yeah, that's why I didn't make big entry. But I want just to try to get to 43.50 or 60 and then close my trade. Exactly. This is what I said 2 years ago. You said the same thing 2 years ago, and from there on, I look for 55% in my favor with 3 confirmation. Yes, you need at least 55. This is the least what you need. The higher, the confluence is, the easier will be for you to make a winning trade. So here you see, for example, we have only, okay, it's 8 moving average. It's H3, no problem. We might have a profit. But here, for example, on my Swiss yen entry that I did, I doubled my risk on Swiss yen trade that I made. There was a little bit bigger confluence. Here I got confluence of ATR break, so the market was above EMA 89 and the order block. So naturally, I felt like I need to short there because it's actually the short setup. So you get my point, right? It's important that you have confluence. When you have confluence, it's much easier to trade. Without confluence, yeah, you can make a good trade, but much easier when you have a confluence. All right. Okay, so do you have more questions, guys? Anything you can ask, I'm ready to answer. Also, I'm looking to see if we have some, I don't know, maybe we can find some more trades, guys. Hopefully, yes, right? Because definitely it's what can I say, like a volatile market, right? We have some volatility here, which is good considering that it's Friday, guys. It's a Monday, the first trading day, right? So it's a good thing. It's a good thing that we have volatility like this. All right. Okay, so give me a moment. second, guys. Just give me a moment. I want to try to find something. Give me just a moment. I'm trying to find the news. Okay. No, here I will show you. You see?
Someone just tried to kill me while I was farming, bro.
Netanyahu
Someone just tried to kill me while I was farming.
Israel is not bound by the Lebanon clause in the agreement.
I shot him shitless.
And now this can
up.
again jeopardize the truce between the US and Iran. Because, guys, you know, if this is not the fact, the problem can be that, you know, if Israel attacks Lebanon, Iran might retaliate or something, and then that can be another problem. So we hope that there won't be any new escalation. Have in mind that the calendar is empty. You need to pay attention to Bank of Japan policy meeting, monetary policy statement, and RBA press conference, because today cash rate is expected to remain the same. Press conference, guys, these hours will be very volatile for Australian dollar and yen crosses. All right. So this is something that you need to watch, guys. Right. You need to watch. Okay.
What's up?
Okay.
Oh,
just
shit.
give me.
Got you. I was going to say, I got you under it.
Okay. All right. This is now what I want to show you here. We have questions. We are at the London high now. If market pushes through, gold can climb nicely. Yes, I know this. That's why I'm saying we are at resistance in gold, but we have 43.65. I think I will short 43.65, DJ. 43.65 looks like a good short to me. So if I can make profits on this, I will probably short 43.65. Let's see. Now we need to break 43.50. I think we want to go higher. You see, but the market is very, yes, market is very close to resistance. So 43, 46 now, if we can get to 43.60 to 65, I think I will get into a short trade. All right. It's important that we actually, if we go short on gold, we need to go short from the top. Not so good, guys, that you short the market if it's going down. So you wait for the move up and then you actually short. That's important. All right. So it's important. Watch for that. Yeah, 43.68. That's great. If we can get there, just I hope that there won't be any escalation. You know, guys, you know, DJ, if there is an escalation, then gold might be dropping again. And oil will be bouncing up. So now it looks like the peace deal is in effect, actually, right? I want to see 43.60 so I can short, as you say, 68. I have 65. But that's basically, I have double confluence there. EMA 89 and order block. And also I have H1, which is actually ATR pivot. Right. So yeah, very good. Let's see if we can get there. Okay. I will scan for more entries. Swiss yen. Okay, where will I short Swiss yen next? Easy. I will short it here. Look at this level. If we, this is a little bit high, but we maybe can get 202 and 202.45. Watch this. Fibonacci level also. Look. It's not 88.6, but it's 78.6. So basically here, 202.45, we have the order block. Okay, this was the previous low. We also have 78.6. So at this point, I'm going to make another short right now. So let's say here, just below the line, 202.43 sell limit. Another sell limit here. I need to widen my screen so you can see everything. And stop loss will be 40 pips, 202.83. Profits, I will target if my trade gets activated during the session. I will target 202.03, so 40 pip profit, 0.4, let's say 40 pip profit, which is approximately 40% of the ATR. Yeah. So this is pending order. Yes, Swiss yen, another sell. We took a good sell today. I will take another one, guys. Gold up, Bitcoin up. Bitcoin is, honestly, guys, surprising me very positively. You remember last time when I made a long entry, I waited 2 months to get €100 profit. All right. So this is it. Okay. So give me a moment. I want to see. Yeah, we don't have more. Yeah, I think gold is going to go there. No entry until 43.65. Look, no, this is Bitcoin. Wait, Bitcoin is great. But gold, guys, 43.65. All right, 43.65. All right.
Nenad sees gold for 368 or 5. I see gold for 368. So it must go there then.
Kindly could you look GBP Australian dollar? Of course, Kenneth, we are going to do it.
Nenad at 65.
Retracing.
Let's see how accurate it's going to be.
For me, the only entry which
65, Nenad there.
Here. So
And I'm at 68.
The market gets here. All right.
Let's see.
If the market gets here, I will open a long trade, Kenneth. Now the only question is whether the GBP Australian dollar is going to go up from this level or it will drop. For me,
Good idea.
long, if it gets to, wait, 80, no, what is the level? 89.29. So here, 89.20, 89.28. From this level, if you can get, all right, here, this will be good, guys. If you can reach this level, this is going to be a long trade. So yeah, Kenneth, GBP Australian dollar is long, in my opinion. Of course, as I say, I never buy at the top. So here we are in the middle, but I want to buy lower, right? So a little bit more, and this is it. Okay, gold is going to drop.
I'm just making a call, guys. I'll be right back.
Going towards 43.66.
Hello.
On it, on.
As I said, guys, I will short there.
Fine.
It's a risky one because momentum is positive, but I think we can get the profits maybe on the first touch of the level. It's interesting to see how gold reacted. This looks like a breakaway gap. Breakaway gap. So don't forget we were talking about gaps on my Megatrade Hero course.
Not working.
Uh,
Oh well,
I
it's
will
worth a
show
shot.
you again.
Then maybe like wash your hands almost without the things. Try it. But even if it does make a little bit
Yeah, I
of a
don't
bend,
have the slide
like
here,
with the cafe.
but this
Finish.
is actually, yeah, we talked about this, guys. Yeah, I don't have the slide here, but we were talking about gaps, yes. I will try to find a slide. Actually, when this looks like a
I'm making a
breakaway gap. So the gap in the trend direction. Breakaway
Oh,
happened,
no.
market never recovered. Now pushing higher, and I guess it will go even higher. So you need to be careful about this.
Yeah.
I will go short, but I won't be making big lot size. I actually do I have no, I don't have pending. I will do market order there. I think market order would be better because guys, if the market gets to 43.65, it can go a little bit up and then down. So market order would be fine. First, we need to break 43.50. 50 level, guys. It's natural level of support and resistance. Don't be confused why the market is hard to go up easily. Because you see, 43.50 is resistance. All right. But I do expect something. Hopefully, we will see move up. Because if the market starts heavily down, it means there is some news, the gap will be probably closed. So my advice to you, do not gamble, but rather follow small risk and do guerrilla trades. Guerrilla trades are good, guys. Ultimately, in the end, two good guerrilla trades are enough even for a day, especially if you make it on gold. Depending, of course, on the risk, but usually it is. All right, so we are coming close to the end of the session. I hope you enjoyed, guys. I enjoyed a lot, right? Thank you for your comments and thank you for your questions. Uh, Tomorrow I will have 3 sessions. So first in the morning, first 2 in the morning, and then 2 o'clock platform time. So if you have time, guys, just come to my session tomorrow, and we are going to trade more. I always trade, guys, a lot. You can see today also many positions. Gold I will leave. I don't want to take 28 euros profit. So if I can get more profits on gold, that would be great. So I'm leaving my gold trade. But anyway, guys, I will close it if need be. Thank you for your comments. Enjoy the rest of the day and talk to you tomorrow, guys. Bye for now. See you tomorrow. Thank you.
Yo guys, I'm gonna have to go. I'm still in that meeting, but I have to present something now, which is gonna take another half an hour. It reached my target area. Gold reached the targeted level. And I think it can push up higher, but I'm gonna take profits. I'm not gonna be greedy with the buy. Take some profit. You guys can now wait. Let's say this is where gold turns. You can wait for it to come to the golden zone. You're going to pull out your FIB and you're going to pull out the golden zone for you. So when it starts turning, coming back to the box, when it's close to the box, take out your FIB, pull the golden zone, and you can target that level to buy, and you target the high of the breakout. So wherever the breakout high is, that's where you target it. Okay. I'll see you guys again